Okay, we're going to be using the properties of logarithms to expand this expression. So we have log base 5 of a squared times b to the third, all divided by c to the fourth power. And I've listed out the properties of logarithms over on the right-hand side. So the product rule, the quotient rule, and the power rule. In this case, the first thing that I notice with our expression is that we have a fraction. So we can use the quotient rule to divide this apart, to split it apart basically. So you can see from the quotient rule, what's going to happen is the entire numerator is going to go inside its own logarithm. It's going to be positive out in front. The entire denominator is going to go in its own logarithm, but it'll be a subtraction or negative out in front. So let's do that first, and then we can see where else we can expand. So first we have log base 5, and these are both going to be log base 5s of a squared b cubed minus log base 5 of c to the fourth power. All right, now we can expand this one a little bit further. And by expanding, we mean making it over to the right-hand side of each one of these rules. All right, in the first logarithm, we're not allowed to bring down either one of those exponents yet. And why we're not allowed to is because neither of those exponents is attached to the entirety of what's inside of this logarithm. The 2 is only attached to the a, and the 3 is only attached to the b. So instead, what we want to do next is expand this a little bit further. So I notice that we have a squared multiplied by b cubed. That works as the product rule, that those are being multiplied together. So we're allowed to split those apart and make them two separate logarithms with addition in between the two. So let's do that next. So this is now going to be log base 5, and we have a to the second power, plus log base 5 of b to the third power, and I'm just going to bring along the log base 5 of c to the fourth power. All right, there's one more bit of expanding we can do in this case. The last thing we can do is we have exponents attached to everything on the inside. At this point, we're allowed to move those exponents down in front and make them into multiples. So the 2 is going to be moved down in front. The 3, because it's now attached to everything, can move down in front. And the 4 can move down in front. So our final answer here is going to be 2 multiplied by log base 5 of a plus 3 multiplied by log base 5 of b minus 4 multiplied by log base 5 of c. All right, hope this helps out. Good luck to you on this.